Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything, and in today's video I'll show you on how you can make the shake effect on Geometry Dash. So basically we are inside our level editor right here, and the first thing that you want to do is to look for the shake trigger onto this specific category. So click build, click on the category right here, and then you want to select the shake trigger. Now it's going to be really simple to set this up. Basically you can trigger it from all above right here, but in my case I'm going to trigger it onto or when my character touches the shake trigger. Click on the edit object, and from here we have three options. Now this is going to be the strength of the shake effect. Let's do something like 3.76. And for the interval, this is going to be how long the interval is going to take until a new shake effect can take place. So let's do something like 0.05. And then we then have the duration or the duration of the effect. So let's make this into something like 1 second. Now you have two options for your trigger. It's going to be touch or spawn. In my case, I'm going to enable the multi-trigger so we can see the effect multiple times. And then if we play out the video, the shake effect should take place right after touching this trigger right here. And so once again, you can just adjust this depending on your level, but that's it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.